Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, how are you, dear viewers? In this lesson, we will talk about moon letters and sun letters. Moon letters and sun letters. Moon letters means al-huruf al-qamariya are lunar letters as well, and sun letters are called solar letters and al-huruf al-shamsiyya in Arabic. But before we dive in its deep discussion, we should know that in Arabic we have 28 alphabets or 28 letters. Okay, 14 of them are moon letters and 14 are sun letters. Okay, now why this classification has been done, that some are called moon letters and some are called solar letters or sun letters? What is the reason behind this? So we should keep in mind that uh, the reason behind this is that whenever the definite article al is prefixed before a word, so sometime this lam uh, gets disappeared and gets hidden and is not pronounced, and sometime it is pronounced. So the grammarian said that whenever the lam of this definite article gets hidden and is not pronounced, so it is because of the solar letter in date word. The solar letter with which date specific word has begun. So they classified and they saw that such letters are 14 in numbers. So whenever this definite article is prefixed to these 14 words, the al, the lam of the definite article will not be pronounced. So these letters are the first one is ta, okay, and the second one is tha, then dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, swad, dad, ta, da, lam, noon. So we can see that we have added al to the word tajir. Okay, to the word tajir we have added al, but instead of saying al tajir we say at tajir. It means that lam has disappeared and it is not pronounced, rather it has assimilated to the letter with which the word tajir begins. So it has been assimilated to the word ta, so we pronounce it at tajir, and it has got shadda. Likewise in the word thawbun, whenever we prefix al, the definite article, so as per grammar rules, we should say, and apparently we should say al-thawbu, but we don't say al-thawbu. We pronounce it al-thawbu. So likewise in the other words, and we can see this one as well, ash-shamsu. So here al-shamsu, apparently it should be pronounced al-shamsu, but lam gets assimilated to the letter sheen, and it is pronounced ash-shamsu. So that is why they have called it these letters are solar letters. And solar letters, why they are called solar letters? They are called solar letters because of the word Shamsun, because Shamsun uh, uh, has begun with a letter uh, uh, with which we cannot pronounce the article lam, and the article lam disappears whenever it is added to the word Shamsu. So that is why they have derived this name from the word Ashamsu, which means sun. Okay. Now, in contrast to it, we have lunar letters are al-huruf al-qamariya. So, in al-huruf al-qamariya are moon letters. The definite article lam is pronounced and does not disappear. It is pronounced clearly and it is not assimilated as was the case in solar letters. Okay. So solar letters are also 14 in numbers, as we have learned. The first one is Hamza, second one is Ba, Jim, Ha, Kha, Ain, and Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Mim, Waw, Ha, Ya. So we can see over here that we have a word Abun, Abun, which means father. So whenever we prefix the definite article al, so we see that the lam has not disappeared and it is pronounced clearly al abu, al abu. And likewise we have a word babun. Babun means door. So whenever we edit al, we clearly pronounce it and we uh, don't see any assimilation. And likewise in the remaining letters. So why these letters are called al-huruf al-qamariya are sun letter, are lunar letters? So these are called lunar letters because of the word al-qamaru, because qamaru, qamarun begins with a letter with which the definite article is pronounced and pronounced clearly and is not assimilated. So we pronounce it al-qamaru, not al-qamaru, al-qamaru. Okay. So that is why the grammarian have derived this name from the word al-qamaru. Qamar means the moon. Okay. Now this was a brief discussion about moon letters and sun letters. Now we have an exercise. So they say that اقرأ الكلمات الآتية واكتبها مراعيا قواعد النطق لام التعريف مع الحروف القمرية والشمسية. So read the following words and write them down, bearing in mind the rule regarding the sun and moon letters. So we have just learned this rule, so we should apply it in these words. So the first uh, five, I am trying to solve them, and the remaining of it is assigned to you. Okay. Al-baytu, al-baytu. So ba is a lunar letter. Ad-diku, ad-diku. Here lam is being assimilated, so it is dal is solar letter. Al-mudarris mean is lunar letter because lam is clearly pronounced. Al-babu, al-babu. Here ba is a lunar letter. Al-talibu, al-talibu. Ta is solar letter because the definite article la has been assimilated. So al-talibu,